In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this OPPO smartphone. Begin by accessing Files app. It should be in Google folder. Now select Clean at the bottom left corner of it and click on Clean under Junk Files. Then select Clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!